Although PUBG Mobile was unavailable in numerous countries across the globe, it secured the top spot in the most watched Battle Royale Esports title of 2022. It acquired 112.09 million hours of watch time. The highest peak viewership recorded of the title was 903,011 during the 31st Southeast Asian Games PUBG Mobile, which hints at how big the title is in Asian countries. The PUBG Mobile Global Championship 2022, Pmgc 2022, whose main event, Grand Finals, is yet to commence, has already acquired over 20.9 million hours of watch time. 2022 was a big year for Apex Legends. It attracted a lot of new players to the title. Furthermore, the game also increased its audience in the Asian region, which could be due to the launch of its mobile version, Apex Legends Mobile. Apex Legends recorded over 62.47 million hours of watch time in 2022. Furthermore, it recorded a peak viewership of 676,653 during the Apex Legends Global Series 2022, Split 2 playoffs.